Hello everyone, let's make a DIY with fabrics and wall frames today. For this, take any cardboard and mark the size according to the size of your frames. Then cut them along the marking. Next, bring in your fabric pieces. Now, place the cardboard on the fabric and mark the cloth, keeping an offset of about 1 inch to fold on the back. Glue the cloth to the cardboard and keep it to dry. Once the cardboard is dry, staple them on the backside of the frame. And here your DIY fabric frames are all set to clam up your walls.